A. A sound. 1. Many gentlemen went together to settle here. 2. I intend to present a better bed. 3. My friend sent letters to Betty yesterday. 4. Eleanor said she let me lend a penny. 5. 7 cats were present to welcome them. 6. Herons never rest before getting to the nest. 7. Ben gets 10 pencils from his pen friend. B. A sound. 1. That man has a hat in his hand. 2. The black cat ran after the rat. 3. Harry sat on a mat on the cabin. 4. The actor was carrying a handbag. 5. The Batman was banished.